নমস্কার, ওয়েলকাম টু দিনভর 24। আজকে এই মুহূর্তে রয়েছি ডক্টর প্রেমা লালের সঙ্গে। শি ইজ ফ্রম লন্ডন। আজকে জানবো ওনার লাইফের জার্নি, স্ট্রাগল অ্যান্ড দি সাকসেস, কি মেসেজ রয়েছে গ্লোবালি এবং তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে কলকাতায় নতুন কি আসতে চলেছে, সমস্ত কিছু নিয়ে আজকে মৌসুমি আমি চলে এসেছি ডক্টর প্রেমা লালের বাড়িতে। নমস্কার, ওয়েলকাম টু 24 আওয়ার্স টিভি।
Hi Maushmi, welcome to my home, and I would request all the lovely ladies and the gentlemen who are watching me today, very welcome to this show, and thank you very much for giving your valuable time to really watch this show. Thank you once again.
Great. So my first question, we would love to know about your hometown, schooling and alma mater.
If you call a hometown, it would be Calcutta and Andamans and Nicobar Islands. And I hope all of you lovely audiences know about Andamans, which is a beautiful island in India, and it was a place where the British ruled, and now it has got lots of memories, good and bad, but most of them have been turned into memorials, and everybody looks at it as one of the most beautiful places in India, and trying to develop that into a tourist area as well. I am from London, so obviously I have got a lot of British friends, and who also recollects about the British culture in India, and they are very proud because they are trying to create a friendly culture back, and they are all in praises of India and Andamans as well. And thank you very much, Mr. Modi, for bringing India globally to a very high standard, and we are proud to be Indians in England, though we hold an OCI card. But now wherever we go, being known from the Indian, Asian or Indian origin means a lot, because we get a lot of respect for our qualification, for our digital expertise, and for doctors from India in England. We make a majority of the specialists in England and all over the world. Thank you once again.
Great. So we love to talk about entrepreneurship venture. So we would love to know about your organization.
Oh, thank you very much for the question, because I'm equally excited about my venture. I would just like to introduce a bit more about myself. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist and a super specialist in feto-maternal medicine and high-risk maternity, and also counselor in IVF and infertility, and we have got a lot more innovative procedures in our center. I have got majority of the postgraduate degrees and diplomas from the Royal College of London and from the Institutes of Expertise of Fetal Medicine and Maternal Medicine. But along with that, I work in the NHS National Health Service as a consultant, a senior consultant, and I have got a private center which is called Women's One World, which is located in Harley Street, London, City of Westminster. Harley Street is known in the world map as a prestigious location for elite medical practice, and I would proudly like to tell you, Nightingale, who was one of the night angels in the medical history, practiced in Harley Street. Now, coming back to India, I want to bring the same type of medical expertise for women as an obstetrician and gynecologist to Calcutta. Why did I choose Calcutta? Because Calcutta is close to my heart. I was born in Calcutta and lived in Andamans, did my schooling from Carmel Convent, and came back to read medicine in Calcutta, went to Russia, Republic of Ireland and India, and I gained a lot of knowledge, a lot of qualifications, and I have become today as an expert, a super specialist in the field. I want to share my experience, my expertise with my lovely colleagues in Calcutta, all the ladies. I want them to cheer me up and to join hands with me to use the medical facilities and to cheer me up. Now, what our center is called, it's called Women's One World. In London, it is called Women's One World.co.uk, and that is going to be your flagship center. And our center in Calcutta is going to be for our lovely ladies in Calcutta of all ages. We are doing medical tourism with Dubai, with Russia, with Africa, with Bangladesh, and all the Eastern India as well. Of course, it will be for everybody in India. Most welcome all the Indians to our center. What are we providing in that center? We are providing, as I told you, very innovative procedures for the infertile couple, for pregnant women and the babies and the deliveries, and for menopausal women as well. Now, we are providing IVF and infertility with AI imbibed in all our procedures, and stem cell utility during the procedure. And we also have some very high level of medical input by our UK colleagues into couple who are not able to conceive during the procedure, either due to some problems in the men or in the women. Not to worry, we are here to hold your hands and help you. Now, while you become pregnant, you would be taken care by our center, by our expert team, by a specialist. They will hold your hand, take you through the journey till you have your lovely baby in your arms. We have got lots of things to let you think that this is not an illness. This is a lifetime wonderful journey for the couple to bring the best part of them into this world and to enjoy with the family. So we are going to do exactly that with all our innovative procedures. We are having very highly skilled ultrasound, which are expert ultrasounds, which has got AI built in it, which will help us to select the best embryos, which means when the mom and dad's parts have fused together, we are trying to take your baby through a journey where the baby will smile at the 3D ultrasound, wave you out, and the babies will be checked from foot end to toe end to check if everything is normal in your lovely baby. We will check the big babies, we'll check the small babies, we'll check babies who are going to come early, and we have got solutions for all of them. And at the end, we have got lovely rooms for delivery, and we will aim for the vaginal birth. But if you need a section, we will give you a cesarean section. And you can give birth in a pool. You can give later on in 2 years birth in a swimming pool. We are going to make all that possible. The most important bit of our journey will be holistic, imbibed with, amalgamated with, fused with the specialist medical care. That is why we stand out as a separate entity in the field of IVF and infertility and fetal maternal medicine. Now, talking about yoga and meditation, in the wonderful Yoga International Day, where else will I get this opportunity, you lovely ladies and gentlemen, to express what I feel for yoga meditation? We have got a separate flow. We have learned yoga and meditation all throughout, and I want to show in my one-stop consultant-led specialist center in Calcutta, how we join your medical specialist treatment with yoga, meditation, food, hydration therapy. We would have experts from England, from India to walk you through this journey, and you will get when you come to do a consultation, you will have all these facilities provided to you so that we keep on monitoring your progress, because yoga and meditation has shown to improve the blood circulation between the mom and the baby connected by the placenta. So even a small baby, lovely ladies, will gain weight after yoga and meditation. Even an infertility couple who are upset will improve their chances of conception after yoga and meditation. This is a great tool to improve your stress, to enhance your body, to lighten up your brain, and to increase the blood supply through your body, making you youthful, energetic, to be ready to do everything you want to do. So why should we not have yoga? And I thought during the COVID, what can we do to improve the medical side of us? We are getting older and older by eating tablets. People are getting depressed, 20 more tablets are given to them. Why? Why should we depend on tablets? Then I went and searched and attended webinars in America, Canada, America, UK, India, and I saw every country is trying to do something to embrace COVID, but to come out of it very successful. So we came out of it with an idea of having holistic joint with medicine, specialist medical treatment. Hence, we want to take you through your infertility journey, through your pregnancy journey, and also, ladies, be happy, we are doing menopausal journey as well with you. Menopause is a condition which is in older women when the period stops, and we as gynecologists, we would give them excellent rejuvenation package where they will become as young, believe me, as young as 30 years old. You'll begin to live your life again without worrying. Of course, many of us do not worry, but it will be embracing old age with lots of excitement, lots of happiness, and looking young and fresh. Why not? We all are supposed to do. And we'll give you a lovely massage too, which is organic. So this is kind of a culmination of what we do. But not to worry, other ladies, we are doing charity in a big scale. We are traveling to villages. We are having ambulance services to bring mothers during their childbirth, sitting in a village and wondering what will happen to me, because this is complication. And women in Calcutta who cannot afford will come to a charity center where they will be taught to do different specialities, like being an HCA, healthcare assistant, ambulance drivers, and we will have special clinic for charity people as well. So we will do teaching, training, and we will try to make best use of our center to every woman in Calcutta. Please do support us, and please do join us in this wonderful journey and a beautiful venture.
Great initiative. And we would love to ask him, an entrepreneurship venture, people sometimes think that if I get failure and sudden negativity comes in their mind, so how to deal with the negativity and the failure, and how to be successful?
You know, someone in America who was a very rich businessman, he told one golden line: failure is a pillar of success. If you don't fail, you will not know what success is. And we say, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, right? We have got this song we sing from childhood till today. And खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. So when you fail, when you feel you're going down, do not give up. Do yoga, do meditation, focus meditation and say, I am the person, this is my project, I will be successful. How? By increasing your desire to do the project, by thinking about the pillars which are obstacles which are there to raise your pillars, and by kicking them out. How? By thinking right, eating right, sleeping well, doing yogas and building up yourself. And go to the people who will finance you and tell them, I am this today and I will succeed and I am sure of myself more than anyone else.
Great. We would love to know, ma'am, about the holistic approach of your project.
Now, the holistic approach of our project is the unique part of a project where we differ from rest of the people, I would say, in the world, because as I told you, it's a one-stop clinic. Anything you want in a woman in a journey of infertility and in a journey of pregnancy and in her menopausal time will be achieved by the center under one roof and consultant led.